I am Muslim. I am from Bangladesh.
Oh, you're from Bangladesh. Okay.
You are like my sister. You are so sweet and cute because you always keep a smile on your face. It's very uh, good.
But you know, my resting face is like this.
You have luminous effect on your face.
Luminous effect. What does it mean?
It means glowing.
Oh, glowing effect.
It's like advanced
Maybe
word.
it's because the lamp.
Yeah, it's mean
Oh,
advanced word. Luminous. You can search on Google. It means
okay.
brightening, lightening, glowing, beautify.
Of course. Well, actually, I smiling a lot more. I smiling more in this life than in my real life. In my real life, I just using my resting face like this every single time. Some of people said that they afraid of me.
Okay, no need to afraid of someone. Okay, you always keep smiling, and
No, I
I
cannot
love to.
keep smiling.
Yeah,
Though.
I love to make amused someone.
Mm-hmm.
It's my personality. I love it to make
That's
laugh someone.
to make that's your personality to make people laugh. That's good then.
Because if you keep a smile on your face all the time, it reduce your depression, your dismay.
Yeah. Yeah, I do feel it.
And
I do
also,
feel it.
if I talk about me, when I get depression, I usually watch like comedy videos, entertainment,
Mm-hmm.
and after that
Yeah.
I feel like refresh.
That's really good. That's really good.
You always wear hijab.
Yeah.
Oh,
I always wear my hijab.
you practice Islam every time.
Yeah, of course. I'm a Muslim. Of course, I practice Islam every time.
Okay, I appreciate you. I admire you. You always practice Islam.
Oh, thank you for that. What about you? Are you practice Islam all the time or not?
Not all the time, but I'm trying. I usually pray
Yeah.
3 times or 4 times every day. Salah,
You
salah,
pray 4 times every day?
salat.
Isn't it
Pray.
5 times?
Yeah, 5 times, but like I cannot able to wake up at Fajr.
Oh, okay. I get it. I get it. It's okay. Everyone has their own process to practice their religion, including us, actually.
Yeah, also I know,
Maybe if
but
you cannot wake
yeah,
up at the Fajr time, you can pray when you wake up